In the heart of Central Europe, something extraordinary is about to unfold. Welcome to HackTech 2024, the premier AI-focused hackathon in Central and Eastern Europe, where the brightest minds come together to solve real-world problems with cutting-edge technology. From October 25th to 27th, Oradea will host its most ambitious tech event yet, bringing together coding talent, AI experts and industry leaders to push the boundaries of innovation. At HackTech, you will dive into AI with exclusive workshops led by pioneers like OpenAI and more. You will engage in hands-on coding sessions working on specific AI challenges that companies are facing today. This is your chance to connect with experts, to collaborate with peers and gain practical skills and insight that you can apply directly to your work. Discover Oradea, a city where modern technology meets rich cultural heritage, making it the perfect setting for this unique experience. This is more than just a hackathon. It's a place where innovators come together to make a real impact in the world of AI. Are you ready to be part of something groundbreaking? Join us for the first edition of HackTech 2024 in Oradea and take your place at the forefront of AI innovation. Register now, because the future starts here.